In this IoT design platforms, we will demonstrate two experiments. One is to program NodeMCU for Blink LED program. Another is to understand serial monitor programming. So we are writing the programming codes. First, we are defining a variable LED for the D4 pin. So whenever LED will be written, it will be representing the D4 pin connection. Now in the setup, we need to initialize all the initializations record to be written here, where first we are initializing that the LED pin should be at the output mode. All the repeated execution of the instruction are written in the loop, where we are writing the digital write LED high. That means LED will be written high, thereafter 1.5 second delay. Finally, we are writing LED low, and there will be a delay of 1.5 seconds, so that repeatedly the LED will be glowing and it goes off for 1.5 seconds each. So this is the target operation to be fulfilled. Now for connections, first we have to choose the NodeMCU. It should be properly placed on the breadboard. The larger arm of LED required to be connected to D4 pin, and the smaller arm, which is required to be connected to the ground pin. So as the points are written here, the ground pin should be connected with the smaller arm, and this is the larger arm which has to be connected to the D4 pin. After proper connection, the larger pin has been inserted into the D4 pin and the smaller arm connected to the ground. A small video for the overall connection and execution of the program. Now for this experiment of blinking an LED using NodeMCU, we need a breadboard. We need one NodeMCU, one LED, and for burning the program into the NodeMCU, we need this cable. Let us see, this is the NodeMCU in which the D4 pin is here. There is a fifth pin from the top side left. This fifth pin has to be connected with the longer side of the LED. LED is having one longer arm, another is a smaller arm. So connecting the positive, that is longer arm, to the D4 pin and connecting the ground of NodeMCU with the smaller arm of this LED. And if we burn the program into the NodeMCU, it will show the blinking LED experiment. So when we are connecting this NodeMCU on the breadboard, we connect in this way. And thereafter, you connect the longer arm to the D4 pin. This is D0, D1, D2, D3, and D4. This USB port to the computer for burning the program. So we have to first click on the programming file, that is Arduino file. So after clicking it on, we need to check the port whether properly port has been selected or not. Now COM4 port is connected to the NodeMCU, so it has already been selected. We already have verified these programming lines. Now we have to click to upload the program code to NodeMCU. So after clicking on this upload, it will take few seconds for uploading. Now, when the percentage of upload is showing, it is confirmed that the codes are being uploaded into NodeMCU. So it is the confirmation that program is written into NodeMCU. So as the program is correctly written, that is why the LED is now blinking. That's all for this experiment. Thanks for watching. Serial monitor is available in the Arduino IDE. So once we are connecting the NodeMCU with the PC, after burning the program, we will see that serial monitor will be displaying the text repeatedly as it has been programmed. So let us see the programming codes. First, we have to initialize with the baud 9600, and thereafter we have to write the loop for repeated instructions of printing a statement IoT design platforms. And there will be a delay for 1 second. So every 1 second, a new line will be generated with a text IoT design platforms. So let us see the execution. Here in this program, serial monitor will be written repeatedly a sentence. So for this program, the initial void setup loop is as usual written for initialization. That is here the baud rate has been fixed to 9600 by this command serial.begin. Thereafter, the repeated instruction execution loop, that is the loop section, is written serial.println with a sentence IoT design platform. Now there is a delay of 1 second. That is 1000 millisecond. So it is 1 second delay. So this will be repeatedly written. So let us see by executing this program. So we will upload this program to the NodeMCU. Then only the serial monitor will work. So this is the COM4 port where the serial monitor is interfaced with the NodeMCU. There is nothing written because the program has not been burnt into the NodeMCU. So we are clicking on this upload. So now the NodeMCU is being written. In the serial monitor also there is the option of baud selection. So here the baud is 9600. So as the program has been successfully burned, that is why the required text is appearing in every new line. Thank you.